In this video, I'm going to take you through the duplicate command or command D, which I tend to use. The command D option is really useful for duplicating slides or duplicating elements on a page. So if I go to the left-hand side, you'll see that I've got a slide which is number 3 in my list, and it's labeled part 1. Now, if I click on it, you'll see where I've actually clicked the slide itself has got a yellow background. If I press the command on the keyboard, hold the key down, and then press D, you'll see that I've got my slide being duplicated throughout. Now, what I can do at this point is where I've got part 1, I can click on the next slide down in my list, change that to a 2. I've then got part 3, part 4, and part 5. And that's how you duplicate the slides. Now, for example, if I wanted to duplicate elements in my presentation, I'll just take the moon from what is in the document, slide 1, and I'll copy it to the part 1 slide. Now, as previously demonstrated, all I've got to do is click on one of the dots in the corner of my image and then hold down the shift key on the keyboard to be able to resize that image. And if I take that, I can then press the duplicate key again, which is your command D. And I've then got 2 on a page. Now, as you'll see, as I go through to line these up, I will get what's generally an alignment line, and you can see there that I've got that lined up. And what that does is distributes my items centrally. So when I line them up, you can see if I drag a ruler down that they're both in the same position vertically on the page. So if I click on and command D again to duplicate the image again, you'll see my little red line come up again. Now I've got 3 of the same image on the page, which is great if I wanted to do a demonstration regarding different planets. And how do I differentiate between those planets? Well, what I can do, I can go up to my Format Options tab at the top. Now, what that'll do is give me options to change my size and rotation, my position, and an option to recolor. So if I click on that quickly, you'll see that I've got a load of options available to recolor that one image. So for example, if I click on the blue, you'll see that I've got that there, which has now turned the image to a blue color. I'll go back in to my recolor again, and then I've got the option to change the planet color again. Now, again, I can select all those planets in one go by holding down the shift key and clicking on each one. And then all I need to do is press my command D key again, and I've then got those 6 planets in place just from using the duplicate and the recolor option within your menu items.